Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I have a projector. It's a 1080p one, so it's good HD for projectors. And let's see what it is here. Let's open it up. It's by FUDONI Projector with a Wi-Fi, full HD with Wi-Fi. So we'll get it out of the box here. Flip it over. Aim it all down. This is everything that was in the box. I have to pick up everything as I go because I have a little doggy. Okay, so here we go. We have our remote control. So that's cool. It's going to require a couple of AAA batteries. We have the power cord. So it's just two-prong power cord here to the traditional little barrels there. We have a HDMI wire. It looks like it's just HDMI to HDMI. We have a like 3.5 millimeter, the left, right, and video. We have the, I guess this is going to be the little leveling component. And here is the projector. And then we have some cleaning swabs. I don't even know. Some of this, just some other pieces and parts and stuff. I guess stuff to clean it up. And then we have a we have the instruction manual. So let's give this thing a go here and see if we can connect it up. This is what it looks like here. There's the front of it. Oh, it's got a nice mirrored front. And then here's the plug for it. It looks like I'm going to need to get myself a couple of AAA batteries if I want to use this remote. So let's get those. That and this. Okay. So here we go. So we have that. This is going to be, I guess, the cover for it. And then, yep, there's the little leveling foot. I was correct. It's going to be a pretty good angle. I'm not sure where I'll project it right now, but we'll give this a try and just see how it looks. So turn it on. Ooh, actually, I don't know if you can see when I have turned it on. It's got that, the forever kind of look. Oh wow, I see it's projecting on there. I guess I can zoom it up here and put it on there. Let me put it on top of something here. There. And we're going to have to do some focusing, I think. Let's see, how do we focus? Do we have, oh. So I'm just peeling off one of the stickers in the front. I think it's for the receiver of the, okay. Well, I'm going to show you guys this here. So on the side, we have a USB port, two HDMI ports, AV in, which is going to be for this one here, and then a headphone jack out, and then another USB port. And then on the top, we have this button here, which I guess is to go back. I guess memory, different power buttons and whatnot here. So if I want to put it on there, let's see if I push a button, does it do anything? Okay, let's see. I guess F- and F+ are probably going to be the focus. Is it doing anything here? Let's figure out how to get the focus in here. Left, right, power, menu, input, speakers in the front. That was right on the kickstand. Okay, remote controls. Press the power button, which we did. And adjust the height. Use the front and the back to make sure the projection screen is rectangular, and the focus is those minus and plus buttons. So here, these are the focus buttons. So, oh, there we go. Ah, look at that. Oh, wow. Can you guys see what's going on up there? On my wall. It's right there. Look at how nice that is. So I can do things like HDMI settings. We have the Android. Let me move it up a little bit here. Oh, we have Bluetooth. We have we can change the wallpaper, companion mode, connection, Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth connection. This guy can do everything. Corner correction. Let's just see if we do Wi-Fi. Keep out is mine. I'm going to have to pause this while I do it so you don't see the password, or else it won't let me through. Okay, I've moved on to the wall in my kitchen, but you can see here, I mean, I have something plugged in, a little light, but you get the idea, and I figured out how to connect it up. Let me go back here if I can show you it. I don't know if it's going to do this. Let me see. There we go. So to do the AirPlay, which is what I was doing for my iPad, you have to connect it to the same Wi-Fi. So I have a singular Wi-Fi here. I have a singular Wi-Fi here, and then just in your in the phone or in my iPad, you know, you have that little button where you can click the little AirPlay, and then it just shows up as P4 or something. You can see there it's got P4 or something in there. So I just connected it up to that, and then when I'm in there and I just hit play, it'll play. Does it say? Yeah, connected to AirPlay, and then it'll connect up through the Wi-Fi or whatever it does magically, and we'll play it on there. I don't know. I probably have to reconnect it because I disconnected it. So let me go back to iPad and now to P4 or something. Okay, there we go. So we are connected, and there I am playing on that. And so I have, I don't know if you can hear it, but I hear it, but it's coming out of the speaker, out of the projector. So it has a speaker and there. So that's pretty cool. So you can like play a whole movie and do it right from the projector itself. And look at the quality of this. This is amazing. And I have lights on and the window open and everything else, and I can still see this really good. And I'm going here, it's probably about, I don't know, 4 feet across or something like that. It's pretty wide, that it's got the whole picture going on there. So it's really neat. Let's see if can I pause it and do stuff from it? I don't think so. I think I have to, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I don't think this really controls the video, which just controls the thing. But it's cool, like when I'm doing the focus, you can focus it from the thing there. It kind of explains, shows what it's doing, so you can do it till you see the things. So really neat projector, and I like it. And then you can connect up with the HDMI and everything too. So I'll probably end up connecting up my my Fire Stick to it, and for watching movies and things like that, so we can watch things even outside and just project it on the wall or whatever. So I'm going to say this is a really cool projector, and it looks cool too. I'm going to show you it here again, so you can see there. That's what it looks like, and you can see it's got that infinity look with those lights going on in there. And it's playing now, and it's got all those ports and everything else, and you got all the settings. So, I mean, it does what it needs to do. I just have it sitting on its box right now. I mean, so I haven't even done any of the setup or anything fancy. I mean, it's got all the settings on there. When I go back to the beginning, let me show you here. If I go back to the beginning, back out of here, we can set our corner correction and stuff. So right now, I mean, it's not aimed. If it was angled up too much, it's called, I think we call it keystone or something like that. So you can, you know, change the aspect ratio. So here, you know, see, I can kind of angle it and whatever if I needed to, depending on what thing you're on. I know you guys probably can't tell just because it's on the wall, but yeah, so you can just kind of correct it. So if it's at an angle going way up or something like that, you can do that. So you can have the projector on the floor and project way up high. Got all sorts of different options. So super neat. And I can just say, okay, so this is what it would be by default. I don't know if you can tell it's very angled. And so that's why I, you know, moved it in. So pretty cool. So very nice projector. I'm going to say thumbs up for sure.